So I'm Pawan Agarwal, President of Indian Paper Manufacturers Association, representing paper industries of India. And it's really a pleasure to come here at Paper Tech at Hyderabad. And this is our 19th edition. And this has really become a holistic exhibition cum seminar for the whole of paper industry along with its associate industries. And we get a lot of participation, not only from within, but also from outside of India. And a lot of discussion takes place around some very important topics regarding, usage of water, regarding sustainability, regarding our carbon footprints, and also, the growth factors for the next decade or so. And let me tell you that Indian paper industry has got very bright prospects as far as the overall growth of the Indian economy is concerned. So it is one of the very important cog in the overall wheel of economic development in India today. We are approximately 1 trillion rupee industry in terms of revenues, and growing at the rate of GDP today in India. And with the kind of sustainability we ensure in terms of our raw materials, in terms of our product, which are 100% environmentally friendly and procured through sustainable sources, we are one of the alternates, viable alternates to single-use plastic. And today, many of our units are replacing plastic in various applications, whether it be rigid packaging, flexible packaging, labels. So we are really, contributing towards a greener planet. And we are also optimizing our operations, our manufacturing processes. And such kind of seminars and conferences, they are contributing, in technological advancement of our processes also. So we are very conscious of the fact that we have to reduce our freshwater consumption, which we have already reduced from 150 kl per ton of paper to less than 35 kl per ton of paper. So that's a tremendous achievement we have done. Similarly, we are reducing our carbon footprints. Our energy consumption overall has gone down tremendously. So today, despite our low scales of operation, despite of our limitations in terms of availability of raw material, we are a fiber deficient country. Despite of all these limitations, we are able to compete with the advanced economies. But here I would like to mention that we want a good support from the Indian government. And you are seeing that today we are doing so very well in electronic and related industries because production linked incentive is being given by the government. We don't demand any PLI for paper industry, but at least we demand that some kind of support should be given in the sense that a level playing field should be created. Today we are impacted by this uncontrolled dumping from the paper mills in ASEAN countries, in China, South Korea, Japan. So they are exporting, they are dumping their excessive production in India. You see, every country sees India as a vast market, which India is. So we have to capitalize on this important aspect for ourselves, for our industry. So I would like to urge on behalf of Indian paper industry to the Indian government that they should create a level playing field for the Indian paper industry in terms of some kind of minimum import price, some kind of non-tariff barriers being created towards this unrelented import from ASEAN countries and China especially. So if this is done, I can tell you that Indian paper industry can really contribute in a big way towards the growth of Indian economy.
Myself, Sushil Khetan, representing INMA, Indian Newsprint Manufacturing Association as Vice President, and I am CEO of Imami Paper Mills Limited. Paper industry particularly has got a long contribution for the development of economy. Paper industry plays a big role in education, in packaging sector, in tissue sector, development of entire literacy system in the country, and is a very scattered industry in the country. It suffers from lot of challenges, be it economies of scale, small paper mills, they are not able to compete with the global benchmark. Government of India gives us all types of support. Recently, they have given the MIP for the packaging board segment. Now, industry has submitted the request for the MIP on the copier grade and the maplitho grade paper. Paper industry carries lot of risk like environmental standards, water consumption, power consumption, and the government of India vision that we have to make it net zero emission industry in the country, and net carbon benefit industry. Paper industry is working on that front, and it has gone a long way. Demand wise, single use plastic is being replaced with the paper. Today, paper is not only meant for the education sector. It has gone in a big way for the packaging segment, for the day-to-day, this carry bag, lot many other products which are not the real use of paper. So paper is developed as a big replacement of plastic. Lot of specialty grade paper has been developed over last 3-4 years. In our country, new installations are coming up where most modern machines have been installed to produce packaging grade papers, which needs lot of technological advancement. Besides the capital cost, we also need the technology from European suppliers. These challenges are being met by the paper industry, and CII, IPMA and INMA put together, they bring that knowledge, concept, technology and evolving in the country. This way, paper industry as a whole has big scope for development of the country, providing employment to lakhs of workers. It has got almost 1 trillion turnover. Our country is having good demand globally. Demand of writing and printing paper is coming down, but still India has got a growth story, and being a rural based economy, still our education sector is growing and demand is growing. That way we see a good scope in the country. Thank you.